Today we're making high protein carnivore keto pretzels. And this video is sponsored by Thrive Market. So these are not made out of a dough that, you know, like a pretzel that you would rip apart and dip in beer cheese, which sounds really good right now. These are more like pretzel sticks, which we all grew up eating on a road trip. Sometimes they're even dipped in chocolate and stuff. Although I don't know if I'm going to be dipping these in chocolate because they're made out of chicken. So Sarah and I were scrolling through Instagram and we came across this recipe that we definitely want to try today. It says that these are high protein chicken crisps, but to me they look like pretzels. So the basis for this recipe is really simple. You're gonna be needing things like chicken, eggs, and spices. That's it. So she uses chicken breast in her video and she cuts it and cubes it and then puts it in a blender and blends it. We're going to cut out a lot of that by just using some ground chicken. This is a pound of ground chicken. To that she adds 2 eggs, which I think is gonna give it some moisture and some binding power. And then you can put whatever kind of spices that you want on this. We're gonna be going with some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper. And you know what's easier than making your own snacks? Buying them. And we buy a lot of ours from Thrive Market, who is a sponsor of this video. Thrive Market is an online membership-based grocery store on a mission to make healthy living easy and affordable for everyone, with guaranteed savings on every order. We know that so many of you guys are busy and you don't have time to go to the grocery store, and even if you do, there's not a lot of keto-friendly products, but Thrive Market has so many keto products online, and all you have to do is go online or in the app, select keto, and see the countless items that they have to offer. So we do so much cooking on our channel and we buy all of our staples through Thrive Market, like almond flour, coconut flour, sweeteners, and so much more, but we also pick up snacks when we can from Thrive Market. Every time we like to try a couple of new items that we haven't tried before, and this time we got some of these Daily Crunch sprouted dill pickle pepitas and some of this Archer County Provisions grass-fed beef jerky. And to save even more time, we use the buy it again feature, and it just puts everything that we normally buy back in our cart. Orders over $49 ship for free with no additional tipping or fees. And right now Thrive Market is running a 25% off back to school sale. Join Thrive Market today and get 25% off back to school essentials. Plus, when you go to thrivemarket.com/keto twins, you're going to get an extra 30% off of your order plus a free gift. I bought some piping bags that we're gonna use to pipe it, and I thought, you know, I really like the pretzels that come in snack mixes that are pretzel shaped. So I'm gonna try to do that, and if all else fails, then I'm going to be doing pretzel sticks and some of the wavy ones that she does. But I would really prefer if they all had the pretzel shape.
Aim for the moon so you land among the stars.
That's very motivational. I appreciate that energy. Sarah wasn't too motivational about half an hour ago when she told me that she scoffed when I said I wanted to do it pretzel shaped. She was like, no.
Well, no, you can try, but when that fails, we will go into the regular shape, which is a line. Continue on.
Anyway, you're also going to be needing to preheat your oven to 360 to 370 degrees and line a baking sheet parchment paper. First, let's get started with the chicken.
Ew, you almost missed.
2 eggs. We're gonna do pepper, salt, Italian seasoning.
Really no other flavors, so.
And then some garlic powder, maybe half a teaspoon. Looks good to me. What do I know? Low?
Sure.
Looks like a brain. Looks like Sarah's brain.
Looks like Emily's brain. I don't know. Puree?
Puree? It has a mind of its own. I guess it's a puree setting, so it has like a schedule that it does. It sounded kind of crazy though. It looks like a light and airy mousse of chicken.
A pate, which is not normally enjoyed raw.
So I purchased these piping bags. They did say that you could use like a Ziploc bag, but I wanted to buy the official thing because we do everything the right way.
Yeah,
on
right.
this channel. Let's just put it this way. Things like this have never been my strong suit. This in here.
Be careful because this is raw chicken. I think we'll start with that. We can always use a different bag.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to do a straight line first because that's the fail-safe.
You can trace it because this has like little
Oh, there you go.
lines.
Yes, wonderful. So I probably wanted to have it be a small.
They look pretty thin, so they're crunchy. So
Right. So just maybe turn it until. Okay. Wait. How does the pretzel look? No,
you're gonna do the line
okay.
first.
I'll do the line first. I'm gonna
I don't think it should be. It should be. I think you should just like.
Would you?
I think you should go like up and down
Fine.
instead of going left and right. Mm-hmm. There you go. Okay.
How do I end it?
Yeah, like that. Mm-hmm. How long should it be?
I don't know.
Maybe. That's a very long one. I don't know.
Pretzel stick.
Maybe do a bunch of those, and then we can start
Okay.
with other shapes once you get a hang of it.
Husband alert.
Sorry.
Don't flee. Look what I'm making.
He has earbuds
Oh.
on. He can't hear you.
Don't be afraid.
I mean, okay, Emily's trying to figure out how to make a pretzel. Go ahead. You try your first shape first. What? Yeah, figure 8. And then like 2 lines. It's like a bow. I actually don't remember how a pretzel goes.
How does a pretzel look?
Yeah, like that. Just make sure they're all connected. Yeah, there you
It's
go.
a bow. Darn it. How to make a pretzel shape.
Very small pretzels.
We
It's raw.
strive to be inspirational on this channel.
How small are you making that pretzel?
They're supposed to be snacks mix size.
Oh.
Like that?
Yeah, and then keep going, yeah.
Keep going.
Like a rounded heart. That makes sense. Like imagine a heart but without the bottom that go around. Yeah, like that. Kind of. That
Okay.
looks like a cassette tape. Yeah, sure, whatever.
So I'm gonna do half sticks and half pretzel shapes of all varieties.
Those are cute at least.
We did not need to make this much of this batter because it makes a lot. Like
You can make
this
some
is-
chicken nuggets out of it, but this is gonna make like a ton.
Maybe do half a pound. I think that's enough for this tray.
I think they look pretty good. A variety of shapes.
Thank you.
I wasn't complimenting you, I was
Oh.
just stating that they are a variety.
Okay, so we preheated our oven to 370 degrees. We're gonna cook these for I think 16 or 17 minutes, and we'll see how it goes. We have a lot left over in case we mess up, so see you when we get back. Okay, let's look at them. There's 20 seconds left, and I mean they look pretty good, but they're not like crispy. Maybe we should just continue cooking them for a bit.
Okay. A couple more minutes.
I'm thinking like 5 more minutes.
Okay. They look golden. Okay.
It smells like it's like burning, but they're not. Okay. We're gonna let these cool off. We're gonna dip some in chocolate. Okay.
No, we're not. I'm like, what?
That actually might be funny. Should we?
You can do that. You could try
We
that.
dip as like a pretzel stick. Come on.
You can
Dip
do
some
that.
in oh no, we put
Ranch in
Italian
it. I mean,
seasoning in it.
Yeah, too bad.
Darn it. You know what I mean? You dip some in chocolate, like halfway.
Why don't we taste what it tastes like and then we can
Fine.
part 2.
We're gonna go downstairs and try it. What? Your hair almost went in the ranch. Look at my
I'm
cute little
delicate.
pretzel bites. This
Wait,
would
can
be
you-
perfect in a snack mix. Imagine this with some almonds and some other snack mixy type things. They're hard. All right, let's just try one of these first.
The sticks?
Yeah,
Okay.
by themselves. Chewy?
Or crunchy.
They're crispy. Mm-hmm.
I'm surprised at the texture. For being chicken and egg, there's no flowers in there.
No, it's good.
I think in the actual video of the creator, she did use an air fryer. So maybe if you wanted it more crispy, you could use one of those, but we decided to just bake it in the oven because a lot of you guys say that you don't have an air fryer.
They're crispy though. Dipped in chocolate,
Without any herbs or spices and
Salt.
garlic.
and then chocolate, and then sprinkles.
I'm surprised they kept their shape too.
Right.
When baking. I
They-
kind of
they
thought that
shrunk.
they would like they would melt and become like a blob.
Yeah, but they shrunk.
Oh, okay. So make
So-
them bigger than what you think.
Make them longer, and then you can dip them in stuff.
I wonder what other types of dips you can do here.
Honey mustard.
Oh, honey
Yeah.
mustard pretzel.
Yeah.
Like the Snyder's.
Yeah.
Or whatever that Hanover or
Yeah,
Snyder.
those are
whatever.
so good. These are addictive.
And like 0 carbs.
Right.
Hello.
Really good. We ate it all. By the way, you can make like 1,000.
With the whole pound.
Right.
Yeah.
It's a lot. So if you guys want to have the recipe, you should.
And we don't know how long they last because we literally ate them all. I know someone's gonna ask how long they keep, but maybe like keep them in a Tupperware with a paper towel or something to absorb moisture.
Right.
To keep them crispy. Or if you did like peanut butter and then chocolate or something.
Peanut butter.
People will hate you on the internet for doing that, but that's kind of like what we do.
So if you guys see any other recipes like this, let us know in the comment section below. You can't leave links, but you can leave a comment telling us what it is and we will search it. We love trying interesting recipes on our channel. Honestly, these turned out way better than I thought that they were going to. And don't forget to join Thrive Market today using our special link, thrivemarket.com/keto twins, and you're going to get 25% off back to school essentials plus 30% off your first order and a free gift. And YouTube seems to think that you're going to like this video here, so why don't you click on it and we will see you over there. Anyway, I'm Emily.
And I'm Sarah.
And we are the Keto Twins signing out.